Alright, here we are, another quick and easy lazy man's meal. Got a slab of meat. Now if you fancy, you could cube that up and fry it and stuff, but that sounds like extra work. And as usual, we'll whack up some red spuds. Sweet onion, number 44 or 4166. Holy moly. We got a can of tomatoes. What are these with green chilies? Need some pepper. Let's see what else we got here. Oh yeah. Speaking of green chilies, we'll throw in some of these. Ooh, a red one. That's scary. One more. What the hell? What do we got here? Probably some freezer burnt succotash. Oh yeah, that's pretty freezer burnt. You'll never know the difference. Beef base, miner's beef base. Yeah. Try to pop the lid on it. And we will call it soup. 20 minutes. Lord. Almost made a serious mistake here. Mint scarlet. Oh yeah. Now we're ready. Oh boy. Oops, through the magic of television, cubed. Oh yeah. Oh. Holy moly. Wonder bar.